All right, today we are making our Movara chicken schnitzel. We're gonna start this recipe by giving our chicken a pound. So what we do, we take our 4-ounce chicken breast, just knock them out nice and thin with a mallet. I like to cover them with plastic wrap, that way it doesn't get juices or anything all over the counter. Then I am going to take some Greek yogurt, a little bit of Grey Poupon mustard, mix those two together. That will work as our dredge for our chicken instead of like eggs and flour. The Greek yogurt will also break down the chicken slightly, kind of like using buttermilk, and make it nice and tender. Then I'm breading the chicken with some breadcrumbs seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. And we are going to take that chicken in a hot pan and sear it off just until the breadcrumbs are nice and toasted. What this does is it closes the pores on the outside of the chicken and it locks in the juices, keeping it nice and juicy. Then from there, we transferred our chicken into a 350-degree oven, baked it for about 10 to 15 minutes until internally reached 165. We're topping it with our salad that you can find in the recipe just below. And that's our chicken schnitzel.